Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Buick Encore. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the ignition is on. Navigate to the infotainment system's home screen. From there, select the phone icon. You'll then see an option to pair device or add phone. Choose this to put your Encore into pairing mode, ready for your smartphone connection. Now grab your smartphone. Go into your phone settings and find the Bluetooth menu. If Bluetooth isn't already on, toggle it to the on position. Your phone will start searching for nearby devices. You should see Buick Encore or a similar name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this name to select your vehicle. Once you've selected your Encore on your phone, a PIN will appear on both your phone and the car's infotainment screen. Double-check that these numbers match exactly. Then, confirm the pairing request on both devices. Your phone might ask if you want to allow access to your contacts and messages. It's usually best to allow this for full functionality. To ensure everything is working correctly, try making a quick test call or playing some audio from your phone. You should hear the sound clearly through your Buick Encore speakers. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve them. Enjoy your hands-free experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.